Barb, tell him, there you go. Next time he starts checking out, tell him leave it.
Leave it.
Good. Go ahead, Linda. Okay, Barb, stand in front of him about 2 feet back. Okay, Linda, start to walk by. And feed, Barb. Good. Try to feed before he looks at Linda. Okay, walk up, Linda. And feed. Good. Barb, get a little bit closer so you don't have to... There you go. Okay. Walk by, Linda. And feed. Good. Linda, can you go on the other side, please?
Sure.
Yes, good. Go ahead, Linda. So walk up on the other side. Sorry, I didn't tell you. Oh, right there. Good. Okay, Barb, go further back now. Okay, Linda, walk up. Good, Bob. Return to her. Him, sorry. And free him. Hey, you remembered not to go forward.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, it's okay. You remembered.
I know, that's a very lovely lady over there. With me.
Want to try a little healing pattern?
Figure eight.
Figure eight? Okay. Thank you, ladies. Okay, what are we working on the figure eight? What part?
The left. Good.
Left, okay.
Good enough.
So do me a favor, just, Barb, start on that side.
On that side?
Yep.
Don't follow my bad example.
Don't worry about it. So Barb, do me a favor, do a couple lefts right in place there. Like, just do a half, yep, right there. Do half left, stop. Another left. Another one. Okay, and forward. Oh, good job. Okay, keep going. So I noticed something. Free him from it. When you go around, when you go to the left, you're almost like sidestepping. Do you realize that? No. You're not making a correct left turn. You're really sidestepping.
I'm not sure.
Do me a favor. I'll show you.
So
Tiffany,
I'm
can you grab that little?
Stepping forward.
Can you grab that divider and set it right here.
Sit.
Okay, long ways. Okay. Okay, you stand. Bring it back a little bit. Barb, I want you to go, no, that way. Yep, right there. I want you to go between the post and that. Okay, so what you're doing is, when you're coming this way, you're stepping to the right. You're not making a correct turn. You'll feel it this time when you go around that. Okay?
Am I going too wide?
Not in your footwork. Just try this.
Ready.
Okay, forward. There. I don't really. Did that feel weird?
Did it feel weird?
Yes. Did it feel any different to you?
No.
Did you guys notice any difference? They saw it. There, that was way cleaner. And free him. I can't explain. Here, do me a favor. Will you do it for her? Like, watch what she does, and she'll see what you're doing. It's not a bad thing, but I think that's one of the reasons why you're losing them on the left.
So you're
I did.
here, and then you're coming out.
Yeah, that's you're sidestepping. When you get here,
You're almost doing like this.
yes.
I'm wondering if
Instead
that's
of-
over-exaggerating.
Oh, your shoulder.
In left
Ah.
heel position. I mean, unconsciously.
Yeah, maybe your shoulder. You're dictating your footwork with your shoulders.
Yeah.
So maybe try it again, but keep your shoulder straight. But this should have made you feel different
You were
when that was
almost, crossing your feet to come around like this. I'm over-exaggerating,
Yeah.
but
And I think you've been doing it a while. I don't think any of us really notice it.
My trainer?
Your trainer. Crap. I get blamed for everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
You're a man.
Yeah, exactly. When the dogs do good, I don't get blamed, but when they do bad, I get blamed. I'm just joking.
Oh, no.
I'm just joking.
Oh, no.
Hey, where's my video, by the way? Okay, are you ready?
Oh, I never did send it.
Forward. Oh, that was way better. He dropped
Yeah,
his
but
head.
he didn't do that.
Because you're changing things. Now you're moving different. Good. Tap your hand when you go around. He did better that time, and you look better. Not that you looked bad before. You gotta be careful.
Heel.
Okay, Barb, put your hand on your stomach. Keep going around.
Oh.
Put your hand on your stomach. And when you go around Tiffany, I want you to bring your hand out, okay? Okay, forward.
Heel.
And hand out. Good. And hand away. Keep going. Good. Okay, and hand out. Good. Keep going. Good. Hand away.
Whoop.
Okay, and we'll do one more hand out. Good. Keep going. This time, don't put your hand out when you go around Tiffany. Let's see if he fixed himself. Okay, put your hand away. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Nope, he dropped his head again. Okay, Barb, keep going. When I tell you halt, I want you to halt. Keep going. Keep going. And halt. Okay, and forward.
Heel.
And halt. Leave it.
Leave it.
Okay, forward.
Heel.
And halt. Okay, forward.
Heel.
You're doing good. Don't lose your composure.
Ready. Heel.
Okay, keep going. We're going to halt around Tiffany again. And halt. Oh, almost worked. Forward a couple steps and then halt.
Heel.
Halt. Good. Do me a favor. Just go around Tiffany again. Forward. And halt. There it is. Forward.
Heel.
And halt.
Better hop. Ready.
Forward.
Heel.
And halt. Nope.
Yeah,
We lost him.